Today's video, we're going to make a little box that we've got from Overy website, which you can see here on the screen. So if you look at designs under laser and scroll down, you can see some different little boxes and projects that they make. And what we are going to do is we're looking at this little business card box that is there, and we're going to work through making this box. So that's one of the projects that we're going to step through, and we'll go from there. So let's minimize this. So I've opened up Fusion. We've got a blank project there. We haven't done anything yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to basically save this first, which will let us create a place to put this. So I'm just going to click on this. I'm going to create a new project. Now it's a little bit hard to see because I don't know why it doesn't give us much room to actually put the thing. But we're going to go new project. I'm going to title this business card box. Press enter. And what we're going to do is just call this part one foot. And now that we've created our folder, where did it go? Should be on a B for business card box. There we go. Go save. All right. So we've got our page saved, and we can now work on that. So I've opened up the sketch in another screen, and I'll just bring that across quickly. So they're the dimensions that I'll be working through, and we'll be building those particular files, and I'll go through those, and we'll basically create those like one part at a time, and we'll go from that to make life a little bit easier. Okay, so we're going to go to create sketch, and then click on the XY plane, and first thing we're going to do is draw a rectangle starting from our origin point. And when we're drawing that, we can use the tab command, so I can type in our measurements are there. So we're going to go 82.55 tab, and then it's 75.88, and then press return. So there's our base size there. And then we've got an inner box of that. So I'm going to quickly just draw that in there like this. And that box is 58.64 tab and 51.97. Enter. Now, we need to center this box. So what I'm going to do then is apply some dimensions and use some equations to work that out. So I'm going to go to create. We're going to go sketch dimension. And I'm going to go from this line to this line and put a little dimension outside. And in here, I'm going to delete out the numbers. And I'm going to click on the two dimensions that I've already got. So I'm going to go, first we'll put a bracket. And then I'm going to go that dimension minus this dimension, bracket, and then divide that by 2 and press enter. And it will give us the FX thing there, which means that there's an equation going on there. And you can see if I hover my mouse over there, it will show you what that equation is. So this dimension 5 is the sum of D1 minus D3 divided by 2. And that centers that. So we're going to do the same again for the vertical. And we're just going to go from this one to this one. We can bring that out here to the side. Get rid of that. We're going to do the bracket again. And then we do the same process. This divided minus this, bracket divided by 2. And press enter, and we'll center it that way. Okay, we're going really well here. The last part of this is to do some fillets. And to bring up this menu, I've just right-clicked to come up with this. So we'll go to the fillet tool. And then I want to put fillets in all four corners. So I'm just going to go this one to this one. And I'm going to apply the dimension at the end. And then go this line to this line to this line, and then this line to this line. And our dimension for this is 14.97. Press enter. And you can see that we had some constraints, dimensions that were being removed, etc. but essentially it's all still black, which means it's constrained, and we have our shape in there. And it's all on one sketch. It's really important when you do this that you keep all your sketches on the one sketch, which means don't go finish sketch in between each time. Do all of the sketching in one hit if you can, and then when you're finished, hit finish sketch. So this is our first part. We've done it. So we're going to go finish sketch, and that's it for this stage. We're going to go up to the top. We're going to hit save, and you can leave that as user saved. Hit OK, and there's our first part. Just like so, we've done our first one, and we're going to leave that like that. So we're going to leave all these, rather than having all our sketches on one single sheet here in Fusion, we're going to do them individually here, and then we'll put them all on the same page when we're in Illustrator later on. So at this point, we can then start a new design. Just clicking on the little plus here, and then we'll save out the next one.